All right, today we're going to bring an LED motion sensor light. And now this one has a couple options here. If you guys can see, sensitivity, hold time, stand by period, and stand by level. There's certain things that you need to know about it, how to switch it up. Just follow the direction. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 if you want certain things to go. So just follow these directions if you want to change the sensitivity, because sometimes any kind of movement will turn this on. The light is very bright, all right, when you set it up. So just make sure you are aware of that. You got the two connections, live and neutral, and that's it. So right now we are going to set it up there. And we're going to change sensitivity a little bit short because we don't want to, trigger it just for any movement. So let's go ahead and do that. Right now it's at 25%, all right? So 1 and 2 is at 25%, all right? We could test this out on the actual, or you know what? Let's do 5 seconds hold time. So what you want to do is hit both of them off. And that's it. And then we have off, 0 seconds standby period. We're going to say standby period 90 seconds. So 6, we're going to turn up 6. Actually, the other way. This way. You're looking for a motion sensor light that you can set up however you want. This is a perfect lighting for your closets, for your bathrooms, your hallways. You could leave the light on, it'll turn off automatically. You just set up the actual gauge, and it was simple to set up. 2 cables, no ground required. Hope you guys enjoy the video.